So today we're going to learn about how to use Google Forms for creating formative assessments for students. When you open up Google Forms, it's a purple icon. If you click More, you'll find it. It looks like 3 bullet points. When you click on that, you come to this page. If you've already created something, your recent forms will appear. But if you haven't, we're going to start by clicking on a new form, and we're going to choose the template exit ticket. But if you want, you can choose assessment or blank quiz, or you can create your own. The templates are sometimes easier because all of the questions are kind of laid out for you. So if you want to change the title, you may. And the directions are right below the title. Depending on what you want your students to do, you can change the directions. Now on the name, I would suggest keeping that and making it required. If you want to delete it and keep it anonymous, that is fine. You can click the little trash bin. To go below, you can click the trash bin to change the email if you want that required or you don't. And now below are the questions. You can change the format by clicking on paragraph and you see a drop-down menu, whether that's checkboxes, file upload, multiple choice, short answer. So I'm going to show you what multiple choice looks like. So say I change the question to, what are 3 things we learned about? You can fill in the options. So say I choose, I don't know, animals, habitats, or climate. Make it required if you are going to grade it. And then from there, you can move it around, you can add other, and then you can go to the next question. That's a paragraph, but if you want to change it to short answer, that means that they'll have less space to write. Checkboxes is more of one of those select all type of questions where they can check more than one answer if necessary. Again, click required if you want it. And you can keep adding until you're finished. So if I finish and I want to create a quiz, I will press send. I can click on the link. And if I want to shorten it, I may. So that you can copy the link and include it in an email, or if you use Google Classroom, you can include that there. But a lot of times it might be easier just to have the email up, or even a bookmark to that email, so that students can directly access the quiz. Now you can also do other tools besides just add questions. You can add images, which you may want to if it's related to a certain subject. You can add a video, maybe that'll help them review before they take the quiz. You can add a section as well. So section 1 could be part 1 of the quiz, and then section 2 could be part 2 of the quiz. Now you can also preview it so that you know what the students will see when they get it. Other than that, those are the basics. I suggest making sure that you click send and copy that link so that students have access to it.